everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Guess what? I'm gonna just try to put my some of the stuff that Sean did for me up. So I'm gonna put my little watermark, my overlay watermark. I don't know if I could put both all of them at the same time. But let's see, let's see, let's see. Hi everyone. Let's see what we can do right here. Let's see, let's see. All right, let's put this up here. Ah, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo, woo. Can I put both of them at the same time? I can't put both of them at the same time. I just can do this one. Yeah, I can do that one. He also did that one for me. He also did that one for me. So we got some watermarks going on here, y'all. We got some stuff going on. All right, so we got that. shout out to Sean. Shout out to Sean. So we gotta see if we can have it to work on overlay. So we have my stuff up there. Yeah, y'all, we finally getting something done around this joint. Something done around here. So shout out to Sean for doing that for me. All right, guys. Hi, everybody. I know I've been MIA all day, but I was helping Dallas. We're trying to get this stuff move around, because she's moving in on next Friday. Dallas is be back home again. And so we were trying to get stuff situated, like clean out the other room. Excuse me, clean out the other room and all that. So that's what I was doing, taking care of home, taking care of business. And I ended up breaking my table. So I'm using my laptop. Hold on, let me show y'all where I'm sitting at. Show my face. Hey, I'm not on my desktop. So we end up breaking the table, moving it. So I don't have a table to put my desktop on. So I have to use my laptop. Sorry guys, I just stuff happens, Stuff happens. So, but I had to come on and give you guys some nugget. And then I was looking for readers and only one person responded. So I said, you know what? I'm not going to do the reader thing. I'm just going to show you a video from I'm going to show you a couple of videos that I was able to gather. This is from the court when Mounk Tounk Antonio Sledge did his plea deal and what was said, because they're saying that he's like another individual who they think is going to be heavy on the case. His testimony is supposedly going to be like damaging to the defense side. So I'm going to show you guys what was actually said at the hearing. And I know it's been a while because it was back in December 2022, and it's been almost 2 years since you guys heard his plea deal. So I'm going to share that with you guys. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and play that hearing. And let me put my little watermark on it too. Let me put my watermark on it. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna put my watermark. I'm gonna remove this right now, and I'm gonna put my watermark on it. Okay. Put my watermark on it so you guys, as I play it. Okay, here we go. All right, you guys ready? You guys ready to hear this? It's not that long, but it's what. And then I do have the actual Plea deal, I just don't have it tonight to read. I don't feel like it. So just know I have it. If you guys want to hear it later on, we can do that. And I also have the transcript of the actual hearing. I do have that. I was trying to get readers, but you know, folks, all right, here's my disclaimer. Disclaimer: as a professional blogger, my role is to deliver news and information from all sides of an issue. The content shared on this channel represents factual reporting to the best of my ability. And also, we're going to read the Fair Act use. Thank you so much, Tall Glass. Copyright disclaimer: under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976, allowance is made for fair use for the purpose of such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. All right, without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead on and play this for you guys. I know some of you guys have seen this, and if you have not seen this, all right, this is for the first time, and go ahead and enjoy this, okay? All right, here we go. Hope it's loud enough for y'all. And don't complain about the sound, okay? Let me just give y'all forewarning. You complain, I'm going to zap you, okay? No complaining. Stop whining. No complaining. I don't have cheese with that wine, okay? I don't have cheese with the wine. No cheese with the wine. So therefore, don't whine, okay? Here we go.
Thank you, Judge. All right, anything else, Ms. Malone, on the conversation? Yes, Your Honor, there was one correction I wanted to make. I believe that the plea agreement, that is State Exhibit 1AS, said that if the defendant violates any terms of this agreement, he would be subject to.
It's low because she's not on the mic.
In prison, and that should be 30 as opposed to 35.
Okay.
What the state recommends is that at this time, the defendant be sentenced to 15 years of probation on count 30 to run consecutively with count 1, and provided the defendant complies with the plea agreement as contained in the negotiated portion of the sentence section 2B, upon the initial or the completion of the initial trial of this case, the state shall pose no objection to the defendant, to any motion on behalf of the defendant to withdraw that guilty plea, and the state agrees to no process count 30.
All right. Okay. Mr. Wright,
Your Honor, briefly.
anything on behalf of Mr. Sledge?
Your Honor, my client is 41 years of age. He has 8 children. 3 are grown. So that would leave 5 minor children. He actually has 3 brothers that are alive, 1 deceased. His father is deceased, but his mom is still with us. He is very anxious to be able to get back to his family. His outlook on this is silly, childish things done in the past as a younger man have sort of come to bite him. And he has grown, I think, grown out of some of those, as we say, childish things. So he is asking this court respectfully to agree and accept this, the terms of this agreement, and sentence him according to the terms of this agreement. He will abide to each and every provision that this agreement provides, whether it's through testimony or otherwise. And again, he is thankful to have this opportunity to get back to his family, to his children, and to the remainder of his life. You will not see him after this trial and all this is over. You will not see him again. Thank you very much, Judge.
Okay.
And the state has one other addition with respect to count 30. The state has no objection to this court suspending that 15 years with the same provisions that we've listed for the court previously. And additionally, the state, in accordance with the state's representation to Mr. Wright prior to this moment, the state would have no objection to, after the defendant's successful completion of the first 10 years of this probation, of it being terminated.
Okay. All right, Mr. Wright, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Sledge, again, good afternoon, sir.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm fine. Sir, did you have the opportunity to fully discuss the facts and circumstances of this case with your attorney, Mr. Wright, to your satisfaction?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did he explain to you the various constitutional rights you give up by pleading guilty to your satisfaction? Those are the same rights that my prosecutor, Ms. Love, just set forth on the record a few minutes ago. Do you have any questions about those rights you wish to ask me?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I'm holding the indictment in this case, and on page 6, above the word defendant, is this your name or is this your signature
Yes, Your
on the
Honor.
face of this indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Before you sign this indictment, did you have an opportunity to fully discuss the facts and circumstances of this case with your attorney, Mr. Wright, to your satisfaction?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else in this indictment that you wish to ask me?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I'll note the indictment's been signed. The plea has been entered. Mr. Sledge, based upon the responses that you've given during the court's inquiry, I find that your guilty plea is freely and voluntarily entered. I find a factual basis for your plea. I'm going to accept your plea as tendered and as negotiated. To count 1, conspiracy to violate the Racketeering Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act, this court will sentence you to 15 years to serve on probation. As it pertains to you in count 30, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, previously convicted of a felony involving the use or possession of a firearm, OCGA 16-11-133, this court will sentence you to 15 years probation consecutive to count 1. Now, the state is also indicating, your attorney has also indicated that upon the initial trial of the case, provided you comply with the special conditions as outlined in sections B, C, D, F, and I of section 3, that you should be able to withdraw your guilty plea in terms of that count. And the state will null process that count. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You also agree that you'll abide by each and all the terms of the negotiated agreement. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You fail to abide by any term of this agreement, it could constitute a violation of this agreement.
Yes, Your Honor.
You shall testify truthfully about all matters related to this case, upon which you're questioned in any trial or judicial proceeding stemming from the facts in this indictment. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
In accordance with testifying truthfully, you acknowledge each and all of the statements contained in the defendant's factual acknowledgement section of this agreement are true. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you agree that you'll testify truthfully about each statement contained within the defendant's factual acknowledgements, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You shall possess no guns unless your right to do so is restored.
Yes, Your Honor.
You shall commit no criminal acts, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you shall submit to random drug screens as designated by the Department of Community Supervision or any agency designated by the court in this case. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you test positive for any Schedule 1, 2, or 3 drug, within 30 days of that positive test, you'll undergo drug rehabilitation as designated by the court or the Department of Community Supervision. And you have to successfully complete that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you relinquish any Fifth Amendment right relating to any statement contained within the defendant's factual acknowledgements of this plea agreement.
Yes, Your Honor.
You also agree to abide by a curfew from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. unless you're otherwise working, in school, or an emergency arises.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that means if you work the second shift or the third shift, as long as you let probation know, it wouldn't be a violation of your probation. You understand that?
Yes,
You also understand, like, I understand you have minors, so you got to take your kid to a doc in a box, or you have something to check on your mother or whatever else. That won't violate your probation, but if they catch you someplace you're not supposed to be, you'll be back having a very uncomfortable conversation with me.
Yes,
Okay. And then you can't have any contact with any co-defendants on this indictment except through attorneys, okay?
Yes,
Do you have any questions about your sentence, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Wright or Ms. Love, any clarifications on the court entry of sentence or defense entry of plea?
No, Your Honor, on behalf of the state.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Then that will be the sentence of the court. Mr. Chamberlain, anything? Okay, all right. Good luck to you, sir, okay?
All right.
Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
very welcome.
Get out.
Okay.
Judge, that concludes my business.
It concludes your business. Thank you very much, Mr. Wright.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, y'all. That was his plea agreement, and that was what was done. I do have the actual plea agreement, but I'm not gonna show it right now, so we can move on from that. But this is the next person that's gonna come up, and this is the person that they feel is going to be one of the hard person. Because they said it was him, and it was Mr. Kenneth Copeland. Those are the two hardest ones. Mr. Zachary was hard, but not as much as Sledge, because Sledge has it where he has to say yes to certain things in there. You know, like the part that him being told to go lay low and money being given to him and all that kind of stuff. So that was it for him. Life on probation. Yeah, that's basically what he has, is life on probation. I do have another video to show you, but in the meantime, let me go ahead and invite folks on up here to discuss this. Because remember, everything is hearsay. Hearsay. It's nothing that was actually them individual being involved. How come gonna smoke on probation? His probation is finished. His probation is only for a year. He's finished with his probation. Gunna only had 1 year to complete. Remember, this was back in 2022, and we're in 2024. His is over with. His is over with. He doesn't have to be screened for drugs and all that stuff any longer. You remember? His is over with. Gunna's is over with. Okay, let me put that back up here. Somebody said, what? What do you mean, what? Angie, what? What do you mean? Angel, what do you mean, what? Yes, it was 2022, back in December 2022. He only had 1 year. 1 year probation, remember? And he doesn't have to testify. All right, Weezy said, hey, Chad, was this guy that was not taking a plea? Oh, no. He just looked like Mender. You talking about Mender. Mender's the other guy. They look just alike. Mender and him look just alike. Cat says Glanville is much better on two times speed. Oh, you funny. Oh God. Yeah, him and Mender look just alike. Seriously, I thought it was the same person. No, Mender's totally look just like him. They look like twins. Because Mender's the one who got there, got ready to do the plea, and he said, "Nope, no way, Jose, not doing it." They look just alike. With the mask on, that is. Without the mask, they look different, but with the mask on, they look just alike. He said, "Where's the proof that Jeffrey gave him the money?" That's a good one. Okay, I do have a video for you guys, and I gotta just 1 second. And it's something that is like something from the blast from the past type of video that I want to show you guys. But in the meantime, I have to download it first. Hold on a second. I gotta go into my history. Then I gotta download it. And I'm gonna play like a little game with you guys tonight. Show y'all some stuff. Hold up. Do you guys remember this? Do you guys remember this? Hold on a second. Let me just get it for y'all. Just a bit, a minute, just a minute. Just a second. My eyes are itching. I'm prepping it. Hold on a second. I'm trying to get it down for you guys. You guys tell me if y'all remember this situation at the courthouse. The day that this happened, I was like, oh my God. Oh my God. What in the world's going on here? I was like, uh-oh. I want to see if you guys remember this. I want to see you guys remember this. Hold on a second. Do you guys remember this? Hold on a second. I got to play it for y'all. Y'all ready? All right. You guys remember this? I remember that day, y'all. We sat there watching everything go on. We're like, oh my God, what's going on? Why is he yelling?
We know what's going on. Chill. Chill.
That's when they got FNJC, FNJC going and handcuff us. They were handcuffing them left and right. This is when your ride was in the back. Oh, yeah, you're right. And all that talk, you see,
Please. He said he's being disrespectful.
okay.
Hello.
Hey,
Hi, Miss Sylvia.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful.
Yeah, I tend to just watch a lot. I kind of be in the bushes. I watch or listen, I should say, while I'm working. Um, I did have a question for you.
Mhm.
So I know you're in the courtroom, and I think you're probably one of the only people that are watching that, review the trial that are in the courtroom.
Mhm.
I've been hearing about Miss Love and Hilton having like static and that there was some type of argument that they had. Is there any validity to that? Did they have like some kind of back and forth?
When it was happening, it was more her having a conversation with her. It was like not heated towards her, but it was more of Kenneth being on the stand and some stuff he said. That's what it was all about. It had nothing to do with them fighting each other.
Oh, okay. Do you think it was strategic of Miss, what is it? I think it's Hilton. Yeah, that's the DA who was questioning Woody. Do you think it was strategic of her to uh, bring in parts of that ex parte that was happening?
You
Because I
said
feel like I
strategic?
just gave her, I feel like she just kind of gave the defense um, a way to let that in.
I'm not too sure if it was her strategy to doing that. I don't know. I'm
Mm,
not sure. I don't know.
okay, that's all I really wanted to know.
Thank you, Blue, for coming up. Thank you. I appreciate you.
No problem. Thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, guys, let's go ahead on. And I have another video I want to share with you guys. If someone did this video, and I got to give them. If I was a juror and I read and heard what the plea deal were supposed after Woody's testimony, I see the state tactic because they had people signing plea deal over group chat. I wouldn't trust the state. Did you see Big Jeff's interview? Chris, of course. You mean the other day? You mean what do you mean? You talking about yesterday's video? That's what you're talking about from his what's the name? His podcast? Or you're talking about interview he did a while back. Which one are you talking about? Which one are you talking about? All right, let's see. Anybody else want to come up? I'm trying to get the other thing for y'all so I can play it for y'all guys. It's something interesting, and I don't know if you guys have had a chance. You said knock knock. Hey, BB. Dead air. That's because I'm looking for something. I just took BB. BRB. Are you not listening? Attorney at law. Are you not listening? I said I'm trying to download something for you guys that I want you guys to listen to. Just hold on a second. Took my dead ear. I tell you, complain all the time. Why do y'all just complain so much, huh? Why do y'all complain so much? I just said I was going to show y'all something. What did you do? What did you do? Complain. You just want me to run my mouth, keep talking, so I don't have dead air? That's what you want? Hold on, I'm trying to pull up something for y'all. Just hold on a second. I'm trying to find it for you. Just be a minute. My throat itching. Hold on a second. I just wanted to add a little special something for you guys, because I don't think you guys got a chance to see this before. And that's why I want to play it for y'all. Just a second. Trying to get it for y'all. I'm trying to get it for y'all. It's all the way down there. Okay, hold on a second. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a second. It's almost there. Okay, maybe I need to do this. Hold on a second. I gotta download it for y'all so I can play it. Hold on. All right, just while y'all wait on it to download, I am going to let some of you guys up if you want to come up and have a conversation before I let. Hey, Keys. Hey, Keys. Hey, are you there? Keys. Keys, Keys, Keys. Are you there? Is she there?
Anymore. Police say former NBA player Javaris would have known. Police.
All right, let me go ahead on and show y'all this because Key's not talking. Keys? Keys?
Hey, Miss Sylvia, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Couldn't hear me before?
No, I did not. I was trying to switch over to Safari. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Miss Sylvia. How are you guys all doing tonight?
Doing
I'm
fine.
good. I'm good. I'm blessed. I came up because I noticed in the chat that some people had questions. My question, along with everybody else's, the video that we just watched. Can you tell us more about it and what was going on? Because some of us couldn't hear it.
Okay. The second video was when Lil Rod was caught with the marijuana in his shorts. And this is this is when they took him to the back and he was doing a lot of yelling. And so the other defendants started getting a little bit rowdy and they started handcuffing them and stuff like that, trying to get them to calm down. That's what that was all about.
Oh, okay. Well, I just seen a lot of comments come across the screen saying, can you tell us more about the video and what it is about? So that's why I came up. And for all those who never came up before, just like me, myself, this is my first time. I'm not shy. Hey, Auntie, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I caught you earlier. Unlike some people, you have, like you said, 2 channels on YouTube. So sometimes we jump in the slide and we see infamous Sly instead of Sylvia. So, I was in both. I was actually in TikTok because I seen you in TikTok as well. I was in all 3.
Oh, thank you.
I just wanted to what that was about and to say good evening, happy Labor Day weekend to you and everybody else as well.
You too. I was just trying to give them some extra treat. Like,
Okay.
yeah, try and give them some extra stuff since they're detoxing from trial. They hadn't had trials, so they're going through some withdrawals right now. I'm just joking. They didn't have trial yesterday. Didn't have it. They're not gonna have it Monday, so they're going through some withdrawal.
Yes, ma'am. Just like you, we're wishing you well along with those men because they are not boys; they are grown men. We're wishing them, everything. We're wishing them the best. We're wishing them to hold it down. We on the outside, we got them. We're rooting for them. And for all, how you call it, trolls, we don't care about y'all. We don't care about what y'all say. We keep going. It's like time never stops for nobody. We keep going.
That's right.
But I just wanted to, all those people who are afraid to jump up and just, say hello, to speak their mind. Hey, this is my first night, and you've been on for how long? How many years? I'm here. I'm not shy.
They're asking whose phone is crackling. They say your phone is crackling.
Tall Glass, hey, good evening. Chelsea, good evening. I see you guys. Miss Sylvia sees you guys. She's just trying to get a new stream for you guys to catch up and let you guys know what's really going on. We didn't forget about you guys. We see you. Gemini, hey girl, how you doing? I'm just here. I've had a rocky week, a rocky month, a rocky year, but Miss Sylvia keeps me bound. She keeps me level-headed. This chat, you guys, I'm just beginning. I can say that as a membership, I've been here 2 months, 3 months in, but I'm rocking with Miss Sylvia.
Thank you, Keys.
Of course, absolutely. You have a wonderful evening. I'm finna jump down and continue watching.
You too.
Have
All right.
Good night, everybody. Happy Labor Day weekend.
Good night. All right, guys. I've got some stuff to show y'all. Y'all ready? Okay, this is going to give you some little history on some stuff that happened in regarding to with Tick, and I just went digging around for stuff for y'all. Okay, all right, here we go. This is with that basketball player. Y'all know about that basketball player, right? All right, here we go.
A former NBA player, Javaris Crittenton, is wanted on a murder charge after a woman was shot on an Atlanta street. Police have secured an arrest warrant for Crittenton in connection with the shooting death of 22-year-old Julian Jones. Police say Jones was walking with a group of people on the city's southwest side when she was shot. Investigators say they don't believe Jones was the intended target. The motive appears to be retaliation for a robbery in April, in which Crittenton was a victim. Crittenton most recently played in the NBA with the Washington Wizards and was involved there in a locker room gun altercation with Gilbert Arenas. He is currently on the roster of the NBDL's Dakota Wizards. Before turning pro, Crittenton was a standout guard with Georgia Tech. The Los Angeles Lakers made him the 19th overall pick in the 2007 draft.
We will be doing a full story soon. What we will say now is that many members who were indicted have been involved in other indictments prior to this one. It starts with petty things, like jumping people and smash and grabs, but eventually, things escalate. He was a baller, and he would win a state title there with Dwight Howard. After attending college in 2007, he was the 19th pick in the first round, drafted by the Lakers. It's alleged, during his time in LA, he would align himself with the Mansfield Gangster Crips. They were founded in West Los Angeles in the West Pico Boulevard and South La Brea Avenue area. Their territory is bordered by Olympic Boulevard in the north to Venice Boulevard in the south, between Hauser Boulevard. Being affiliated with the Crips makes you a target of the Bloods by default, and any other opposing street gangs for that matter. In December 2008, he was traded to the Washington Wizards. There, him and Gilbert Arenas were involved in a locker room confrontation involving guns. He lost a lot of money in a card game against Gilbert Arenas. Some jokes became serious, where Crittenton threatened to shoot Gilbert in the knees, or something to that extent. According to Gilbert, he placed 4 guns on a chair and left a note telling him to pick one, meaning he was allowing Javaris to choose the gun he wanted to use to shoot him. A month later, in 2010, Crittenton pleaded guilty and was given a year of probation on a misdemeanor gun possession charge. 2 days later, Crittenton and Arenas were suspended for the rest of the season by NBA Commissioner David Stern. He was released by the Wizards following the suspension, while Arenas rejoined the team. As we stated, Crittenton was aligned with the Crips and eventually became a full-fledged member. In October, Abebe and 2 other members of the Mansfield Gangster Crips, Cecil Loran and Javier Romero Angulo, were attempting to shoot Kevin Green, a member of a rival gang, the Playboy Gangster Crips. In their efforts, they missed their target and ended up hitting Green's wife. His wife was pregnant at the time of the shooting. Just 3 days later, Crittenton used his credit card to purchase a one-way ticket for Romero Angulo to fly from Los Angeles to Atlanta. By July of that year, and still on suspension from the NBA, Crittenton was questioned by Los Angeles homicide detectives. Specifically, they wanted to know about the ticket and his connection to 2 of the Crips who were charged with the murder. Crittenton acknowledged that he was friends with Romero Angulo and Abebe, and that he frequently had phone conversations and exchanged text messages with the 2. He said he heard about the murder, which took place 2 months prior, from news reports. He only purchased the airline ticket for Romero Angulo because Abebe had told him Romero Angulo needed to hurry up and book a flight quickly and didn't have the credentials needed to do so. He said he knew nothing of the shooting. He also denied any affiliations to the gang. Despite all this, though, he has tattoos on his body, signify membership to the Crips, and also put money on the accounts of Romero and Abebe. He later admitted that he is in fact a Mansfield Crip and member of the 8 Trays. Anyway, April 20th, 2011 would be the mark of his downfall. An hour before midnight, he and his cousin Doug left a barbershop on Cleveland Avenue in Southwest Atlanta. South Atlanta, if you know, you know. But Crittenton had frequented the area. He's from around there. He has ties and he's familiar with the people, so we can assume it's nothing. We good. He didn't think nothing of it. At that point, after leaving the barbershop, fresh cut, Crittenton and Doug were held at gunpoint by 4 men. He was robbed of $55,825 worth of property, including a black diamond necklace that Crittenton valued at $25,000. Also, in a police report, was a black diamond watch worth $30,000. A witness was familiar with the guys who committed the robbery. Police would identify them as Trontavious Stevens, Demario Stevens, DeMontanez Stevens, and Antonio Sumlin. According to the witness, Crittenton knew that Trontavious, aka Lil Tick, was one of the people that robbed him. Crittenton had looked Lil Tick in the face during the armed robbery and recognized him from the neighborhood. When it came to the initial robbery, Jones, the barber, told police that Crittenton did not have faith in law enforcement officials to make an arrest and, as a result, Crittenton, very upset, wanted to take matters into his own hands. Allegedly, Crittenton told law enforcement officials during the course of their investigation not to worry and that he would handle the matter. Although he was shown photographs of people who were potentially the perps, he declined to cooperate. He felt betrayed because he grew up in the neighborhood and they treated him like a plate. He felt that he had given back to the community and showed he wasn't being Hollywood, but look what happened. In my opinion, he wasn't moving tact, but people get got everywhere. You just have to try not to get caught lacking. Most times, it means not going anywhere unnecessary. But who am I? Just a person who has lived through times that could have went bad, but is old enough to understand how to avoid it altogether. The ones that robbed Crittenton were all part of the Atlanta criminal gang, raised on Cleveland or ROC. At this time, ROC had 100 core members and possibly more than 200 overall. They were classified as 30 Deep and Red Cartel, all being subsets to the Bloods. You had the robbers and you had the enforcers. They were in different lanes. One crew was more about making the money and the other was much more violent. Specifically, Lil Tick and Antonio Sumlin, who is also known as Obama, are 2 members of YSL who were currently charged in the indictment along with Young Thug and Gunner. In no way are we saying that Young Thug or Gunner are involved in this, as we understand that people move independently. It's just a testament to how they were really outside, period. As for Lil Tick, he had a history of robbing people. Crittenton happened to be just one of his victims. Obama was a dangerous YSL member. On July 26th of 2011, he was charged with the July 16th shooting death of Randall Dobson on Poplar Street in Morrow. It was alleged that Obama shot Dobson twice in the leg in a set-up drug deal. Obama and 2 or 3 others were to sell Dobson a pound of weed for $1,100. They never had any weed to begin with, but wanted fast money, so they decided to sell him some fake weed. That plan was never executed, as the gang decided to rob him instead. Obama pointed a handgun at Dobson, who slapped it away. Obama exited the car and shot him once in the leg as Dobson tried to flee, said police. Obama got back into the car and followed Dobson toward Brand Boulevard and fired again, hitting Dobson a second time in the leg. He would be transported to the hospital for medical attention where he passed away. Police said Obama changed his cell phone number to avoid any connection to Dobson, but they were able to track him through the records. He allegedly told police he never contacted them about the involvement of others in the shooting because he was as guilty as they were. So, there was a 10-day gap between the time Obama committed the murder and was charged. Between those 10 days, Javaris Crittenton was robbed for a second time. On July 20th, 6 days before the murder, Crittenton and Doug were partying at Club Onyx, an adult club in Atlanta's upscale Buckhead neighborhood. That night, had the black Porsche and sported thousands of dollars worth of jewelry. They headed back to South Atlanta and was accompanied by another man named Richard. They had met him at the club earlier in the evening while partying. On the way back to South Atlanta, Richard was indecisive about directions, unsure and mixy about the drop-off location. After arriving at 474 Holderness Street, they let Richard out. As they got back in their car, they soon found themselves blocked by a white SUV. Three men armed with guns, one wearing a red bandana around his neck, forced Crittenton and Doug to lay face down. At that point, they removed their valuables. Doug told police, who arrived at the scene around 5 a.m., that he was pistol whipped. Both he and Crittenton refused medical attention. Crittenton was robbed of a $20,000 diamond bracelet, a $20,000 diamond ring, and a $15,000 Audemars Piguet watch. In addition, a .40 caliber was taken from Crittenton's car. Again, he was hit for over $50K in jewelry. The cops never found out who did it the first time, and Crittenton was no help to them anyway. He was once again a victim, but this time, he would set out to do the victimizing. Someone close to the situation said that Crittenton came through the block off 2900, making drives to look for the people who robbed him, including Lil Tick. The person asked Crittenton if he was still on the hunt for the people who had victimized him, but said nothing and walked away angrily. It was also said by someone that he came through one time looking for his robbers and had a .40 caliber on his lap. It was pride that would make him retaliate, but also he was a Crip and the Cappers were Bloods. On August 16, 2011, there was an attempt on the life of DeMontanez Stevens. He was shot in an incident that police believed involved Crittenton. Not sure if this is Lil Tick's brother or not. 2 days after the shooting, on Twitter, he posted, "Got the streets in my veins like a poisonous IV." Then, on August 18th, things turned deadly. At 9:50 p.m. that night, a vehicle pulled up to 2915, Macon Drive. Julian Jones and Lil Tick were sitting out front. They were on their way to a barbecue, or had just arrived, or whatnot. A shooter sitting in the back seat of a black Tahoe fired 4 rounds from an assault rifle. Jones was hit in the right hip. Less than 2 hours later, she was pronounced dead, leaving behind her 4 children. Lil Tick was not hit in the shooting. According to documents, Crittenton's cousin Doug went to an Enterprise rent-a-car location in Fayette County, south of Atlanta, and rented a black Chevy Tahoe SUV. Witnesses corroborated this whole situation. After Jones' death, Crittenton flew to Los Angeles. The FBI arrested him at John Wayne Airport in Orange County just 11 days later. When police searched his home, they found an AK-47 assault rifle, a 12-gauge shotgun, and a .40 caliber pistol. The investigation showed that Crittenton's left middle fingerprint was found on the driver's side rear passenger door handle of the SUV. Lil Tick, who initially identified Crittenton as the shooter in a lineup, told the assistant district attorney prosecuting the case in February 2012 that he did not see the shooter and he had never seen Javaris Crittenton before. He said he could only identify him because his neighbors showed him Crittenton's photo on the computer. After all the court stuff, he would eventually plead guilty. Crittenton was sentenced to 23 years. Here it is, 2022, a decade and change after this situation, and Lil Tick is involved in this YSL indictment. Don't forget, Obama is also involved in the indictment. So that's 2 guys. As we stay charged with much more than robbery. But yeah, that's about it for this one. Just a quick little story for you all before we do the big one. But as always, stay low and thanks for watching.
More likes, give me more likes.
All right, guys, did y'all hear that? It was just a little background information for you guys in regarding to Tick and Obama. So what do you guys think about what we just heard? What do you people think about that? You don't remember Tick's attorney? The lady that sat next to me? You don't remember Tick's attorney? You notice nothing has to do with Jeffrey. You noticed that, right? Nothing has to do with Jeffrey. These are individuals who are doing their own crime. Yeah, that's the same lady that told him to say yes on the video. On the video, yep. Yep, that was him on a database. Hold on a second. Let's see. Let's see what else I have up my bag in my little stash of stuff from the past. We like to do some past stuff. My stash. Let's see. Y'all want to hear y'all want to see Gunner's plea deal? Y'all want to see Gunner's plea deal, y'all? Do you guys want to see Gunner's plea deal? I want to see that. Do y'all want to see that? Okay, y'all say yes. Hold on a second, me. Let me get it for y'all. Let me get it. As I go into my little stash bag. Get it for you guys. We're just doing some we call it recount of some stuff that we have seen before. Some stash. We're doing some stash. All right, y'all. You ready? Let's do this. All right, let's go ahead. This is the attorney Gary and Rosenbarn that were on the case before. Okay. All right, hold on a second, y'all. Let me put them in here so you guys can see. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Let me put my hold on, let me put my watermark on here. Hold on. Let me put my watermark. Okay, here we go.
If you got the table, I got it. Good. Works. Good. Yeah, I lost a little bit of that, Anna. Sergio, your audio still is on, by the way.
This is when the guys you be on the.
Jeffrey, I don't believe you're muted either. You're not muted.
This is when they used to be on the screen before they start coming inside the courtroom.
Got it. You see, you got it on. And
Oh, you heard what she told him, right? Because she said everything you say is being recorded. So don't talk, don't say anything. Sergio, don't say anything. They were talking across each other while they're in a different, the little, you see in that the camera? That's where they were in different little pod in the jail. And so they were talking to each other. So the attorney was like, "Oh, that's Sergio's attorney." It's like, nah, don't talk. Because everything is being recorded. You see him there? Kevin Lyles in there. This is the way they used to be before we first started. You remember this video, model? You don't remember this? Y'all don't remember this? He used to show up, Maya, but he's not in the courts anymore. I haven't seen him in a while. What's my cash app? Oh, hold on. I'll give my cash app. Yeah. That's my cash app.
Yeah. Can you tell my family to rebook their visit?
It's hard to hear you.
I said,
Don't say. So anything you say, be recorded. Everything you say. You didn't say they.
You hear what she said? Don't say anything because they might take it out of context because you're being recorded.
it's about a visit with you.
Let me do a video call in our house.
Yeah, I'm telling them to reschedule it. Okay.
You see me?
Yeah, I see you. I was telling you just tell my family to rebook the visit.
Yeah, those were the district attorneys before. You see them? It was Gary, it was Rosenberg, and it was Brown. You see them? You don't see Love there. Those were the district attorney in the beginning, y'all. Yeah, Tyler, that was the district attorneys back in the day. Thank you, Shay, for the Cash App. Thank you. That's not Brown. I'm sorry. I meant Smith. That's not Brown. I made a mistake. That's Smith, not Brown. My mistake. Not Brown, Smith. That was Smith. My bad. That's not Brown. That's not Brown. I made a mistake. I said the wrong name. Sorry. That's Smith. That's Demetrius Smith. My bad. That's Gary. That's Don Gary. He was the district attorney that was heading the case. But Willis asked him, Willis asked him to move aside and let Love lead, and so he quit. He went to Gwinnett County, so he's over Gwinnett in Gwinnett County. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna talk about. Okay, do y'all want to see some more stuff or not? Somebody asked me what happened to Krishan's brother. Has anything happened? I'm gonna go ahead and speak on it for a second. Hold on a second. Is Melissa in the chat? Melissa, are you in the chat? I'm gonna talk about the situation that happened yesterday. Is Melissa in the chat? Anybody see her in here? Anybody sees Melissa in here in the chat? Anybody see Melissa in the chat? I wanted to you don't see her? Okay. I wanted to explain something from yesterday. Because some people misconstrue what was happening, and I wanted to explain something yesterday. Yesterday I no Melissa. I'm looking for Melissa. Sylvia Gambino. Sylvia Gambino. My name not Gambino. My name is not Gambino. My name is not regular Melissa. There's two Melissas in here. Regular Melissa, and then there's a Melissa Gambino. But I'm looking for regular Melissa. I'm looking for regular Melissa. There's two different ones in here. James Jackson. Hey, James. Hello? Okay, James decided to jump off. James didn't realize he was on here. He decided to jump off. You and Melissa too? You and Melissa? Oh, not you, Emerald. We got 3 Melissas up in here. We got 3 Melissas. We got Emerald, we got Gambino, and we got regular Melissa. Anybody else named Melissa up in here? Thank you. I got a Cash App. Thank you for the Cash App. Thank you. Made in lumping service. Thank you for the Cash App. Okay, let me explain what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I was on a call and I was talking to Krishan Rock's brother, Eugene Malone. Eugene Malone is the eldest brother of Krishan Rock. You guys don't know of him because he's been in prison for the past 12 years. So before any fame or anything like that, you guys don't hear anything about him, right? So because of the work that I've been doing and the awareness that has been going on with different cases and stuff like that, I was reached out to kind of bring awareness to his situation. You guys know, I did say his older brother. I said the older brother. Did I say older brother? Did I say older brother? I did say that, right? Okay. I did say, I thought I said something else because then I don't know. Well, anyway, because of my the things that I've been bringing awareness to and bringing some noise to situation and just trying to let the world know of certain things that's happening in regard to the justice system. Okay. I found out that he was being treated wrongly, and he was being treated because not nice because of his relationship with his sister, right? Meaning that because the COs and people like that knows about the fame that the sister has, and they're out of Maryland, and so they started messing with him, right? And Jonah him about him having a sister and why she doesn't help with this, why she doesn't do this, why she doesn't do that, and they started harassing him. Okay. So, to make a long story short, I heard his story and I felt the pain the man was in. So, I talked to not only him, but I talked to the attorney that's handling his case, his civil, because right now it's not a civil case because they have to go through a process of ARP. And some of you guys explained to me what ARP is. Is it's a form that has to be completed and it has to go. They have to go to a certain process before an attorney could really step in and do anything, right? So So I'm sorry, I was reading a message. So that process cannot be fulfilled because the COs are not allowing him to fill this form out, right? They're not allowing him to fill his form out. So he has been very the S word. I don't want to say the word because YouTube and there's these words in it. The S word, unaliving. He attempted to unalive himself. And so now they have placed him on suicide, the S word watch. I'm trying not to use the word S word watch, right? What's his name again? His name is Eugene Malone, Malone. Okay. So his attorney, I'm gonna show y'all. His attorney had sent me some stuff in regard to some stuff that the process and in the state of Maryland and why she can't step in until they exhaust every um procedure, and that procedure is to complete those AARP, the ARP, not AARP, but the ARP form, right? So I asked her, what can we do as a group of people? And she says, basically harass, or not harass, but contact the warden, contact the warden's boss, with emails, phone calls, and basically let them know there are people um, out here trying to find out what's going on, why he has not been seen by a doctor. Because right now, he said his hand and his I think his feet, they feel like they're like about to fall off, I guess. They're numb, they're hurting constantly. He was supposed to see a doctor for follow-up, but they are not allowing him to see one. They spraying him all the time in his eyes with mace. They spraying him with mace, and he's basically crying out for help. And that's why I came in here to do that. So now, what happened the other day, yesterday, right? Somebody asked me to drop the link. His sister was in the chat. Okay, because I don't know what's going on. I don't know who's who. I don't know sisters and all that kind of stuff. I dropped the link. I dropped the link. When I dropped the link, a sister popped up in here, right? I did not know that this particular sister, people was calling her a scammer and stuff like that. I don't watch reality TV. I don't know none of this stuff. And you guys was, telling me certain things. No, don't do this. Da, 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 da. So I was lost. All I can do is shut it down and delete it, because they were saying that because I've never watched this show. I don't know who they are. I don't even know who Krishan Rock is. I don't know none of these people. I don't know it at all. So when you guys was telling me certain things, I was like, okay, this thing has become crazy and people's thinking it's the wrong thing. The man never asked for any money. He's not asking for money. What he's asking for is help for us to contact he didn't ask. The attorney basically was telling me, because I asked the attorney, what can we do? And the attorney told me that's what that would be the best thing for them to do, because he has to fill out that ARP form and they're not letting him get the form. So in order for him, we basically got to make some noise to the warden, to the warden boss. And that's what I came up on this thing to tell you guys about. So all this extra stuff that happened yesterday, I had not a clue, y'all. I had not a clue. I had not a clue. So, because someone came in here and asked me about what was going on with him, and that's what I was doing. That's why I was putting in the phone numbers and stuff like that for you guys, and that's what I want you guys to solicit you guys for help and helping to contact on Monday, Tuesday, not Monday. Monday's a holiday. Tuesday, when you guys get a chance, we're gonna do a marathon of calling that number and contacting them and emailing them to try to get them to do something for this guy. That's all I'm asking for. I'm not asking for anybody to donate anything. I'm not asking. He's not asking for any money like that. But all I'm asking is for us to make some noise. Help this guy out. Okay. Yeah, that's all. There's all this stuff with the sister and stuff like that. I don't know nothing about the sister. I don't know nothing about the sister. Okay, I don't know anything about stuff because people call me scammers all the time, and I'm not a scammer. So when y'all was coming in saying that she's a scammer, I'm like, oh, let me get off this thing here because I don't watch it, so I don't know. Yeah, it's the same name. It's the same name, Angela. It was the same person. So that's what it's all about, y'all. It's trying to get, and I did record his hold on a second. I did record the cellmate. Hold on a second. I'm gonna play the cellmate call for y'all. Hold on. Hold on a second. I did record him. I just gotta find the recording. Hold on a second, y'all. Okay, I have the recording of him talking to him first, and let me see. Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and play this. I was trying to find his because I started recording it, for my purpose as well. Um, hold on a second. I'm trying to find this recording, y'all. Hold on, because I use two different recording system. Hold on, hold on. Just a second. Okay, hold on. I think this is it. Nope, that's not the one I had. Yeah, I had two recorders that I use on this phone. And I'm trying to find out the right one. Okay, where would I find my recorder at? Hold on. Oh, Lord Jesus. Sylvia, only Sylvia. Yeah, I need to do better with my technology skill. My technology skill sucks. It really, really, really sucks, y'all, because I can't find stuff. I be putting it inside of these things. Let's see, is this it? Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Hold on. I recorded this yesterday. Where did I put it at? I had two different recorders. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let me play it from the other recorder because I was trying to find the Oh, I found it. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it, y'all. Hold on. I got it. Hold on. I'm being slow here. I'm being slow. Please forgive me for being a short bus shorty. Short bus shorty. Okay, here we go. We got the voice recorder right here, y'all. We got it. We got it. Short bus shorty Sylvia. Okay, let's see. Gotta find, where's the recording? Downloads. Okay, there we go. Hold on, it's not there. Just hold on, y'all. Okay, how do you go pull up the thing you recorded? Hold on. No. Why are these things trying to charge somebody? I'm not buying it, so get off my thing there. How do I find out the ones that I recorded already? How do I find that? Hold on, I gotta find it. No recording on file? What? What? It says no recording on file. I know I just added something on here. I know there's some files on here. Hold on, y'all. I'm being slow here. Sorry. I'm being slow. Okay. I'm gonna be in short bus shorty here. Okay, I'm gonna play the one from his because I can't find his roommate, his cellies, because his was a little bit easier to understand what was going on, but I can't find it. I don't know where I put it at. Y'all don't ever hire me to do any kind of recording for y'all because I suck. I really do, because I don't know how to find stuff once I put it in, save it. I don't even know where I put it at. I am not good at this, so I don't know where. Well, let me see downloads. Let me check downloads. Downloads, okay. So it should be in a phone call. There you go. Audio files. Nope, that's not it. Can't find it, y'all. I'm gonna go to the other one. All right, let me go ahead and play this one. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna play the other one from when I talked to him, because I did record him. But all right, here we go. Okay, I think this is it right here. Hold on.
Okay, Eugene, I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
You're nervous? Okay, I understand
nervous.
you're nervous, but I just need to find out what do you know the reasons why?
I'm sorry, y'all. I can never get through anything without getting phone calls, y'all. I apologize. Y'all, it's raining outside. I'm always getting phone calls. All times of night. Lord have mercy. All right, you ready, guys? Let me play this for y'all.
Okay, Eugene, I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
You're nervous? Okay, I understand you're nervous, but I just need to find out what do you know the reasons why they are doing this to you? Or do you have any idea why they're picking on you and not giving you the medical attention that you need?
I think they're scared that, like, because I'm gonna have proof that, like, something wrong with me. Like the field said nothing wrong. I'm telling them they're gonna have to cut my hand open for my hand to heal.
So they have to cut your hands open, you said?
Yeah, like my hand, like I'm going through pain, and then they're gonna have to cut my hand open for my hand to heal.
Okay.
Because it's like a bone, like something that happened before the prison, but by me being in cuffs for 3 hours, that messed up my hand where I already was booked at. You know what I'm saying? By the cuffs being so tight, it made like the inside of my hand like bleed that you can't see it, but I can feel it. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand what you're saying, but as far as medical attention, are they denying you medical attention?
The lieutenant called the OIC. The lieutenant called and she told the OIC like 2 or 3 days ago to take me to medical. And it's been 3 days and I still haven't went. And then when this incident first happened, they said I was gonna have a follow up and I never got the follow up and I never got the medical treatment I was supposed to get. And the documents for my ankles, because my ankles was swollen from the shackles.
Can you tell me a little bit about some of the incidents that you have had in there? Because I heard that you attempted to unalive yourself a couple of times. Can you explain to me why and how?
You know when I tried to kill myself?
Yes.
Well, before I did it, I told the CEO that I need to go. Now, I was supposed to come off lockup July 12th, but it took me off July 13th. And then by Lieutenant Bunn denying me, certain people deny me in a bump buddy. It's a rule, if you deny your bump buddy, that person's supposed to go on lockup. But they end up putting me on lockup when he denied me. So by me being punished twice, I snapped because they was ignoring me and left the
Oh my God. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep getting these phone calls. I apologize. I'm sorry. Okay, what was I reading? I was reading, you say you can't hear. Sylvia, then kids at the library will get you right with your podcast features. What kids in the library? Listen, your friend with Woody makes sure he plead guilty Tuesday because he's getting set up. If he doesn't do that, they're going, oh, y'all, and y'all little conspiracy stuff. Look, Father. Them late night Mike, stop it. Mike, stop it. Talk about them late night calls. Debating is not allowed. Disrespect is not. Debating is allowed. Disrespect is not. Respectfully. Y'all, at your local library or librarian. Oh, Angel. Dang. Thanks, babe. Okay, y'all. I think you had enough of me for tonight. I think you had enough of me. Tila became she's not his attorney. Eugene has been locked up and sentenced. Yeah, okay, let me show you something. Let me show you guys. This is the attorney right here. Hold on. Because you guys, okay, if you guys could see, hold on. This is the attorney that I've been speaking with. See? You see what she said? All these phone calls. Hold on a second. These are crackers. Hold on. Okay, somebody called me and said one of you guys put in here about not playing his video, his recording. The man gave me permission to record him. What is going on, y'all? Somebody just called me and said one of you guys put that in here. Lord have mercy. You know what? Y'all getting on my nerve for real. For real. Are y'all gonna help out or not? Or keep complaining? You can sign. I talked to the attorney, Rainey. Y'all, listen. I'm not gonna sit here arguing to anybody. I talked to the attorney myself. I called the law firm myself. Oh my God, Jesus! Just say I don't want to help. Just say you don't want to help the man. That's it. Because I'm not going through this with y'all. I don't know what they're talking about, Gemini. I don't know. I know I'm going to bed because these people getting on my nerve now. They're getting on my nerve. They're getting on my nerve. Getting on my nerve. Gemini, they're getting on my nerve. I don't know what kind of chat is this, Jazz. I don't know. Because they really getting on my nerve. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Father, Lord, Lord, Lord. I'm getting calls left and right. I'm getting people complaining in the chat. I'm getting all kinds of. I'm gonna get off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get off because this is crazy. It's just crazy. Lord have mercy. Oh my Lord. Jazz, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go. Maybe I try again another day. Because right now I'm gonna go to bed. I am not a night person. I am not a night person. Y'all irritate me at night. And I'll be ready just like, okay, I'm not dealing with it. I'm gonna say good night. Please don't go. But they no, but they're getting on my nerve for real, y'all. They're getting on my nerve. I'm getting calls. I'm getting messages. I'm getting messages in here. Keith. This is just like, oh my God. And then Keith is asking me, am I single? Lord have mercy. What the heck? What is this? Day Sylvia versus Night Sylvia. That's right. Night Sylvia ain't having it. I'm not doing the slide chat. Enjoy the next day. 10 days off. Your normal chat will be back Tuesday. Go get a drink. Yeah, I'm going to go get a drink. I'm going to get some water. Pretty chick, I'm going to get some water because they're getting on my nerve. I'm just trying to get the man some call. Okay, listen. How about this? Since people like Jennifer says play it. Yes or no? What Mr. Armstrong, this is not a dating night. This is not to find out whether or not Sylvia's single. Sylvia's trying to get some information out. That's what Sylvia's trying to do. Sylvia's trying to get the man some help. That's it. Not trying to find a date. I'm not trying to get here, kumbaya stuff. I'm not. Am I sacrificing the goat in the court? What? And they're gonna show the sacrifice of the goat? No, they're not gonna show the sacrifice of a goat. Lord have mercy, Sylvia. I told you yesterday you should stay away from this respectfully. If you want get dragged by the Malones, them all means I will shut my. Oh my God. All I'm doing is contacting the people. I'm not doing anything with the family. I'm just calling the place, which is what I'm going to do on Tuesday. I'm going to call the place. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. If you want to help, you help. If not, you're not. Your apologies accepted. Your apologies accepted, but I don't need to be talking about whether or not I'm single because I'm not. There's not a dating site for me. I'm flattered, but I don't need to disclose whether or not I'm single or not. I have work to do. I don't have time for all that dating scene. What's the information to call in? Okay, here we go. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Jessica. Hold on. Let me give you the number, okay? This is all I'm doing. Okay. The number is, hold on. All right, here we go. The warden name is... Hold on, I'm trying to pull it up. Okay. The warden name is... Okay, where is it at? On my email. Come on now. Okay, let me give you this boss first. His boss is Carolyn Shrug. SCRUGGS. Her phone number is 410-585-3300. And her email, oh Lord, that's a long email. I'm gonna type it in. I'm gonna type in her email. Her email is... Oh my God. Keith, don't feel, oh Lord. Keith, I'm sorry if you're feeling like, my apologies, Keith. I just want to get the information out to help this man, okay? Okay, y'all got the number? Okay, the email? Okay. The email is for, let me put it in there. Let me copy what the attorney sent me. And I'll put it in there because she sent me this stuff. Hold on, let me get in here and send it to you guys. I gotta copy it and send it to you guys. Because it's a long email and I just better. There go Melissa. Melissa's in here now. Thank you, Melissa, for putting it in there. Thank you. Like, then mind your business. I was asking an adult question. No, Sylvia, you are good. I'm responding to your friend. She got offended because I asked you. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and put it in the chat for y'all. This is her email address. This is her email address right here. This is her email address right here. This is her email. That's her email. Let me give you a name. Hold on, I'm just copying and pasting from what the attorney gave me. This is her phone number. That's the phone number, y'all. That's the lady phone number. I'm giving you her name. I'm copying and pasting from my thing. This is what she said. Please contact. Look, I'm copying exactly what her message from her email. Look, this is what she said. Please see below contact. That's what she sent to me on the email. This is from the attorney. This is what she gave me. Okay. He's calling. Eugene is calling. Oh. Okay. Melissa. Angel says, can Melissa go up and give people who wasn't on the live a bit of a background? Yes, please, Melissa. Can you give them a background? Y'all be surprised who contact me. Y'all will be surprised. Oh, does anyone know why he's in prison? No, I don't know why he's in prison. I never ask. Never ask. You know who I need to call? Her sister is into prison reform. Hold on a second. I need to call somebody. Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on. Her sister's in prison reform. Hey.
Hello?
Hey, I got a question to ask you. Your sister's still doing the prison stuff, right?
She is.
Okay, I have a situation in Maryland. Do you think she would be able to help on that?
In Maryland?
Yeah.
What is the situation?
I have a gentleman who's in jail. I mean in prison. And he has hold on, so let me mute it for a second.
And I'm at an event and she's at my cousin's balloon release because my cousin passed away.
Okay.
I will call you tomorrow morning.
Okay. So you guys can.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Definitely again. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye bye.
For sure.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. I had to mute because I had to say the word on the live and I didn't want them to hear it on YouTube. So her sister does prison reform stuff. So they said, yes, they'll help out. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. They're in California. So it's early over there. You see? You see, guys? You see? You see? Look at that. Look at God. Look at God. She says, absolutely. Oh, yeah, I won't come up in here and start complaining, and I ain't got time for that tonight. I ain't got time for that. Natalie Lawyer, click the YouTube. Could you bring a lot of attention to this case? She's an attorney practicing. Oh, okay, Sylvia. I totally do reading with you. You say you do a reading with me? Oh, I don't do that reading stuff, y'all. I'm not into that tarot reading stuff. I'm not. Ask the guy in here who tried to do that to me one time. I was like, we don't do that. I don't do tarot reading. Mm-mm. That was you talking about reading? Oh no, we don't do that. I don't do tarot reading. Nope, not for me. That's what you're talking about, tarot reading? That's what you're talking about, tarot reading? I don't do tarot reading. Mm-mm. Nope, no thanks. She said, no, reading trans. Oh, okay. I thought you talking about tarot reading. I was like, oh no, we ain't doing no tarot reading. My bad. Because I'm telling you, this guy tried to do some tarot reading with me one time. I was like, oh, Kimberly, email me and I'll get you in contact with Melissa. Look, this guy trying to do some tarot reading. I don't do that because I typed up my infamous Sylvia and some crazy lady was doing a tarot reading on me. I'm like, oh heck no, we're not doing that on me. Terror. Yeah, it is terror. That's right, Mike. Terror. I don't do that. Don't be reading no thanks. Because those people be trying to put stuff in your mind and stuff. Oh no, we're not doing that. So yeah, dye your hair blonde again, like your picture. JT, I will. I will dye it. You say I'm covered. Amen. By the blood of Jesus. Hallelujah. Yeah, plead the blood. Plead the blood. Amen. Shh. Amen. We don't do that, miss. So I'm talking about we're doing a read. But I met him in person and he had the cards with him. I'm like, oh no, we don't do that. I don't do no tarot reading. Got so much craziness in this world already. I don't want nobody reading nothing on me. Not I. You send me some music for hold? You send me some music? Get me there! No bad juju. Yeah, exactly. Yes, ma'am. I made you some. You did. Where did you send it? To my email? Did you send it to my email, Gammy? Gammy, did you send it to my email? I got it. Hold on. Let's see it. Let's hear it. Okay, hold on. Hold on, let's play it. Let's see. Gammy, let's see. Let's hear. She sent me some whole music, y'all. Let's see the music she sent me. Y'all, it's raining outside. That rain sounds so good. Makes me want to sleep. Okay, let's hear it. The music. Give me some music as well. There we go.
In the courtroom, Tomahawk, he's the one to spy. Making notes with such finesse, still it's on the slide. Hammer falls and echoes ring. Justice with a wink. Sylvia sways in the shadows on the brink. Came back home when shadows cool. Moon began its rise. There she is, our Sylvia, with mischief in her eyes, arming us with tales obscure, clear but mystique. In our chat, she reigns supreme, clever and unique. Oh, Sylvia, sly and deft, waltzing through the night, with a twinkle in her eye, everything's just right. Dance on courtrooms, like chats, crafting every tale. Still the magic muse, never can you fail. Day in, day out, the gavel's pound, secrets held so tight. She unravels all the threads beneath the court spotlight. Yet when evening shadows fall, she shimmers in the glow. Your story, Sylvia, from the ebb and flow. There's a charm and subtlety everywhere you step. In the quiet of the night, where your whispers begin. Ample notes of wit and grace in the space of life. Sylvia's tale soft as jazz in the twilight sky. Sylvia, sly and deft, waltzing through the night. With a twinkle in her eye, everything's just right. Dance on courtrooms, glide through chats, crafting every tale. Sylvia, you never can you fail.
Oh, wow. I like that. Okay, let's hear the next one, y'all. I like that one. Oh, Lord have mercy. Ooh, chow. Hold on. Here's another one, y'all.
With style, courtroom looks and a pile. She's got that legal feel, justice real. When she comes at night, shining bright, giving truth sunset, straight up in your head. Oh, that Queen Sylvia.
Woo! I keep it real, y'all. Courtroom all day.
She turns it around, tracks you down, straight up on style. No, she's not shy.
I'm not shy, y'all.
Sylvia's always here.
Sylvia's always here.
Oh, that Queen Sylvia.
Chat with me, y'all.
She keeps it real.
I keep it real, y'all.
In the courtroom all day.
Yeah, all day.
Finding the right way. And she turns it around.
I am going to use it for my intro.
Making it all so clear. Sylvia's always here. Oh, that Queen Sylvia. Goes home, she keeps it real.
Like this. That's nice. Okay, it's another one, y'all. She did another one. Hold on. She did another one. Hold on.
Earlier in that courtroom night, all alone she's making time. Notes ahead, she's got the plan. Comes home late, shines like a star. The break it down, just out without a frown. Gotcha, heart so true. Sylvia's magic comes right through. Feel the light, soulful notes on the inside. Elliot's truth makes us sway. All night long we prove and play. Prove and play. She's the queen with the golden touch. In her words we trust so much. Courtroom battles fade away. She brings the light and the pain. Smile is dying at midnight. Still you know just how to fly. All our woes she melts away. Bringing soul to every day. Baby, feel the light. Wolf will know on the inside. Curious truth makes us sway. All night long we prove and play. Prove and play. Prove and
Okay, y'all. Nice. That was nice. Thank you, Gamma. That was beautiful. That is so nice, y'all. Oh, this is so nice. I like it. I need to do a I need to send this off so I can have my intro and exit. Oh, that's nice. I like. Mhm. Wasn't that nice, y'all? Wasn't that nice? That was nice. There's another one on here. Hold on. She got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see this bottom one. Let's see what this one sound like.
Sylvia in that courtroom crying. All day long she's making time. Notes in hand, she's got the plan. Comes home late, shines like a star. Yeah, she's here to break it down. Justice found without a frown. In our chat with hearts so true, Sylvia's magic comes right through. Feel it, baby, feel the light. Soulful looks on the inside.
That was Polo, Rainy.
Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play. She's the queen with a golden touch. In her words we trust so much. Courtroom battles fade away. She brings the light in the day. Slide and slyly can't deny. Sylvia knows just how to fly.
Oh Lord, White said play this as we leave our bedroom.
Soulful looks on the inside. Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play.
Somebody say you got me ready to two-step. Come on, y'all. Let's do that dance. Come on, y'all. Let's dance.
Feel it, baby, feel the glide.
Woo!
Soulful looks on the inside. Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play.
Woo! Come on, y'all. Let's dance. I like this one. Woo! Oh, we're gonna do an intro and exit on this song. I like this one. Woo! Come on, y'all. Let's do this. No, Kiki. You're not gonna see me dancing. Woo! I like this. Come on, y'all, let's dance. You know, that's gonna be a theme song when we do our what's the name? Meet and greet. That's gonna be our theme song. I like that one, y'all. That was nice. That was nice. Okay. She got another one. Hold on. I don't think we did this one here. Hold on. I don't think we did this one. Oh, I like the last one. The soulful one, Sylvia. And then I like, she said, which two I like. Let me see. Which two I like the most, y'all? Which two? She said, choose two. Tell her what two music you like. She'll make some pictures too with it. That's the jazz one. I like the last one. Which one y'all like? The last one? I don't know the order. Okay. The one that has 4 minutes. I like that one. I like this one. 1 and 4. That's the one. That's the main one I like.
All day long she's making time.
That's number 4.
Notes in hand, she's got the plan. Comes home late, shines like the stars.
Number 4, definitely. Okay, let's see between 1 and 2. Let's see 1 and 2. Hold on. One is this one. Oh, you. Okay, the number 4. No. That's number 5. That's called Soulful Note of Sylvia. Soulful Note of Sylvia.
Sylvia in that courtroom crying. All day long she's making time. Notes in hand, she's got the plan. Comes home late, shines like the stars. Yeah, she's here to break it down. Just as I without the frown.
Okay, that's number 5. That's number 5, and then number 1 is this one. Yeah, I like this one. It's Sylvia Slide Jazz. I like that one too.
Hammer falls and echoes ring. Justice with a wink. Sylvia sways in the shadows on the ring. Came back home when shadows cool. Moon began its rise. There she is, our Sylvia, with mischief in her eyes, arming us with tales obscure, clear but mystique. In our chat, she reigns supreme, clever and unique. Oh, Sylvia, sly and deft, waltzing through the night, with a twinkle in her eye, everything's just right. Dance on courtrooms, glide through chats, crafting every tale. Sylvia, magic news, never can you fail. Day in, day out, the gavel's pound, secrets held so tight. She unravels all the threads beneath the court spotlight. Yet when evening shadows fall, she shimmers in the glow. We've a story, Sylvia, from the ebb and flow. There's a charm and subtlety in every word you spit. In the quiet of the night, where your whispers begin. And we'll know the wit and grace in the space so fly.
Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is this one.
With style.
Hey, Wendy.
She's got that legal feel. That's real. Won't you come at night? Shining bright. True sunset. Straight up in your head. Oh, that Queen Sylvia.
Chat with Sylvia. Chat with Sylvia. It says chat with Sylvia.
All day. Finding the right way. She turns it around. Check shit out. Straight up on style. You know she's not shy. Making it all so clear. Sylvia's always near. Oh, that Queen Sylvia. Not that girl. From court home, she keeps it real. The courtroom all day, finding the right way. And she turns it around, and she's been down, he's been down. Straight up on slide, she's not shy, making it all so clear. Sylvia's always here. Oh, Jack Queen Sylvia,
Yeah,
she keeps it real.
it keeps it real.
She keeps it real.
Chat with Sylvia. I like that one. Okay, let's see the other one, the second one. The third one. Here come the third one, y'all. Here come the third one.
Sylvia's dressed with style, pouring notes in a pile. She's got that legal feel, making justice real. And she comes at night, shadow shining bright, putting truth sunset straight up or in your head. Queen Sylvia, got that groove, yeah. From court to home, she keeps it real. In the courtroom all day, finding the right way. Then she turns it around. In the courtroom all day, finding the right way. Then she turns it around. In chat, she's renowned. Straight up or slide, you know she's not shy. Making it all so clear, Sylvia is always near. That Queen Sylvia, got that groove, yeah. Court to home, she keeps it real. In the courtroom all day, finding the right way. And she turns it around. Got that groove, yeah. Court to home, she keeps it real. In the courtroom all day, finding the right way. Then she turns it around. That Queen Sylvia, got that groove, yeah. Go to home, she keeps it real. In the courtroom all day, finding the right way. Then she turns it around.
I like that. You say you're not sure anymore? Okay, and there's number 4 now. Here's number 4, y'all.
Sylvia, that courtroom night. All day long, she's making time.
All day long, she making
Shows her hand, she's got the plan.
I got the plan, y'all.
Comes home late, shines like a star. Break it down. Just now, without a frown. In our chat, with heart so true. Sylvia's magic comes right through. me feel the light.
This is number 4 right here.
Notes on the inside.
That's number 4.
Its truth makes us sway. All night long we prove and play.
This is number 4.
Prove and play. She's the queen with the golden touch. In her words we trust so much. Courtroom battles fade away. She brings the light and the pain. Slide slightly empty night. Sylvia knows just how to fly. All our woes she melts away. Bringing soul to every day. Feel, baby, feel the light. Skillful notes on the inside. Furious truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play. Groove and play. Groove and
I'm gonna add this to our music. Okay, now this is the last one, number 5. Number 5 right here. The number 5 right here. I like this one the most.
Sylvia in that courtroom crying. All day long she's making time. Notes in hand, she's got the plan. Comes home late, shines like the star. Yeah, she's here to break it down. Justice found without a frown. In our chat with hearts so true. Sylvia's magic comes right through. Feel it, baby, feel the light. Soulful looks on the inside. Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play. She's the queen with a golden touch. In her words we trust so much. Courtroom battles fade away. She brings the light in the day. Slide and slyly can't deny. Sylvia knows just how to fly. All I want, she melts away. Bringing soul to every day. Feel it, baby, feel the light. Soulful looks on the inside. Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play. Feel it, baby, feel the light. Soulful looks on the inside. Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play. Groove and play.
I like that one. All right, have a good one, Troop Rico. Safe travel. What's the green room chat? They confirmed with Sylvia the thing. Yep, they did. That was nice. Thank you, Cam. Yeah, we be partying up in here. Wasn't that nice? That was a treat. You sending an email? Okay. Jump into the waiting room before you end your stream, and when you're done, we can talk. What waiting? Oh, you talking about in the chat? Okay, hold on. Let me put you in the link. Hold on. I'm gonna put you right here so we can chat. There it is, right here. That was nice. That was nice, 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 nice. I like that, Gammy. I like that. That was nice, nice. Wait till I let Dallas listen to this, my songs. Oh, that's me. Yeah, send an email. Email's a paper trail. There she goes. There go the music. Oh, sorry. She said, no. Gabby, you don't look bad. I'm going to put you up here. I'm going to put you up. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, she hiding out. Okay, she coming on. You ready now? There she go.
Hi. I'm sorry. I didn't know when you were going to end, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and click that, and it'll take me a couple of approvals before I get to the end. So, anyway, the reason we have to chat, and hi, chat. Hi, all you sly dogs out there. Okay, so, and just so that everybody knows, I don't go by the whole name thing there. You heard Nick say Shinny, and it's because, the grandkids call me Shinny Graham, but I am now a great grandmother. So we're going for Shinanny Graham for shenanigans, but just call me Shinny. Okay. But I know who you're talking to when you say.
I'm always calling you Gammy. I call you Gammy. That's my name to you.
And I'm liking it. I'm like, okay, fine. I am liking it. So,
Gammy. It's not even Granny. It's Gammy.
Gammy, I am totally cool with it. I love having nicknames for people, and because it's a community thing. So, Shaw, you're muted. But it's really cool when because I give nicknames because it's a community thing. And I know this doesn't look like it should be a community, but it is a community. And it busts me up when somebody else gives me a nickname right off. So thank you very much. So anyway, here is the thing, because I'm working now just to show you how quick, because I can't present, but how
Why you
quick.
can't present? You could present.
I don't have present on my side.
Oh, you don't have present on your side?
Oh, wait a minute. I do. You know what? I'm an idiot. Okay. So here, if you don't mind, I'm going to show you how quickly. Oh, wait. No. You know what? My computer updated. And StreamYard is not working appropriately. So though I can click present, I can't share screen because the pop-up goes away before I even get to click it.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, try and be on a live stream and end a live stream when the second in stream goes away before you can click it.
Wow.
Yeah. Luckily, I grabbed my cell phone.
Wow.
So, but anyway, I was just real quick going to show you how easy to make these intros, these outros, and the hold music one. So I'll be sending you a hold music here in a second.
Okay.
I'm just making the pages longer because I'm not sure, but I think you wanted the 4-minute soulful notes.
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay.
That was number 5.
See, I can't tell which one is which when it went through an email to you. That's why it was like, I need the whole name. So, hey guys, in case you can't tell, I'm like really a lot. I'm not just a little, I'm always a lot. And so when she was having the phone situation, it's like, you know what? Maybe I can help. So there. I'm going to play this. You go ahead and talk to your chat. I'm going to play this in my ear. And then if it ends exactly right, then the 4-minute song is going to have a quick little fake intermission hold for you. Okay? And I'll email it to you. So you go right ahead and ignore me.
All right. I'm going to ignore her, y'all. Hey, everybody.
Oh, wait a minute. You know what? Wait, let me turn that down. I put my earpieces in and I didn't put you on ear. It's what I was saying. Hold on for. Okay, go for it now.
Okay. All right, guys. What are y'all doing? Y'all being nosy? Y'all being nosy in here? I had to rewind the chat and Sylvia. Hey, Too Tall. There's your content assistant. Bingo. Yep. Why am I here? Magnificent. He said, why am I here? You trying to play with me, huh? Magnificent. Magnificent. We are talking about how we love shenanigans.
I'm always up to shenanigans.
Shenanigan.
But I'm always up to something. You heard little brother Nick introduce you guys all to me the other day and say, if you think you can handle her, go to her channel. There's a reason for it.
Miss Jan said, how do I feel about Big Jeff message? I feel great about it. I feel great about his message. He's right. He's absolutely right.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I decided to make it better.
Oh, you did? Okay.
I'm weird like that.
He spoke nothing but facts, y'all. I think somebody got their underwears in a bunch because they had a fit of what he said. I heard somebody had a fit. And they started calling my name involved in it. Miss Jams, did you hear that somebody, I'm not even mentioning their name, they had a fit and they started calling me the gray haired lady.
I love being the gray haired lady. Do you know not everybody can wear that?
I know, I love being gray.
I'm like, I have one client who comes into my office and
Mm-hmm.
she's like, I love you, what you're doing to your hair. And I'm like, I didn't do it, God did it.
Hello, God did it.
And she's just like, wait, you have blonde hair? I said, I ain't never had blonde hair in my life. Well, maybe when I was like a couple months old,
Yeah,
trying
baby.
to figure out who I was. But yeah, no. The gray hair is it we have to be special to wear gray hair.
Mm-hmm.
Wear it and be proud.
Tipsy wants to know what is the message. Hold on, Tipsy. Let me just see if I can play it for you. Let's see if I can play it. Let's see. I'm going to play the end part. He said it at the end. Hold on. I'm doing it at the end part.
And don't see no harassment. I can go listen to his statements.
Hold on.
Would I be able to sit back like this?
Listen.
You know, May the 9th, 2025 would be 3 years for this bullshit.
And not to mention the amount of time frame that they call themselves and all the years they say that they are investigating him, that they investigated him. That's pretty much harassment. Like, how can that not be harassment? You always somebody trying to find something, that's crazy.
But you put a 2-week indictment on a person. Not where I come from.
Hold on.
I come from Chicago. I come from Illinois. I come from so and so. I come from so and so. This ain't how games roll where I'm from. And I got gang members in my family. I got gang member friends, the whole 9 yards. And this, I cannot see gang member on none of these people in Atlanta that's calling themselves gang members. So who considering them to be a gang then? They take a 40-hour class and can be acknowledged as expert gang members. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? And say it's because of what they wear, tattoos, this, that, and the third, so forth and so on. Are you serious? Are you serious? No, that's not always true, people. That's not always true. That went out back in the 70s. That's not always true. Let's get some, I consider the people who I consider to be gang experts are people who are actually gang members.
Born into it,
Those are your experts. Now, get some of them to come in to be classified as experts. Those are your experts.
True.
Go to some gang-related prisons and get some gang members and let them show you how to be a gang expert. And let them tell you if they consider all this garbage in Atlanta calling themselves gangs to be gang members. That's a true gang member. Which person in Atlanta, Georgia, would they even come close to considering to be a gang member? A legitimate gang member. Not a damn hybrid gang. The hell is a hybrid gang?
Made up stuff.
Don't get a gang a name. It has a name. Gang. Not hybrid. You have never heard of a hybrid gang.
I've never heard of hybrid gang. Not until Atlanta.
You can't be hybrid. Either you in or you out. You are either in or out. So who cares at the end of the day? I care. Neither care. People with consciences cares. So we got to make a stand. We got to make a stand and show that we
Nope,
care.
I definitely
Not a
don't want that
protest.
name in my chat.
We
Definitely
got to
that
make
name.
stands to show that we care.
Do not put that dude name in my chat.
Protesting in Atlanta, bullshit. You're not going to be allowed. You can't protest in Atlanta unless you're a certain race. Unless you're a certain race, you won't be able to do a permit in that protest in Atlanta. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. We got too much going on. When are we going to care? When is someone gonna care? And I talk to a lot of people. They have shown me that they don't give a damn. Trust me, they have. So Shanita finally made it home so she can relate. And we gonna do some things coming up that everyone is gonna be welcome to join. And we're not going to protest anything. We're gonna speak on it. We're gonna speak on it. Like I tell you all, this is a different show. This is a different type of show. Because I ain't scared. I'm not scared to talk to my people. I'm not scared to talk to the people. I don't have a fear to talk to the people because we're going to keep it real. Real is a hated term for people to have to live by. Real. First, you have to be real with yourselves. Until you do that, you'll always be unbalanced. You'll always be unbalanced. Until you can be able to tell yourself the truth and live with it, you'll always be unbalanced. Then you will believe everything you hear. You will react to everything that comes toward you when some of it is not to be reacted to at all. You know, we have people say real recognize real, then you go out and do some fake shit. I can't tell. I can't tell. You have to be real. You have to be true to people, even if they're not true to you. Even if they're not true to you. You got to keep your head up. My son, you know, people ask me a lot about how's your son holding up? How's your son this, that? My son good. Every day he wake up, he's good. He's great. Because he was able to live to see another day. So that means he has another shot. He's good. He has me out here. All of those young men have me out here. Everybody in the system has me out here. I'm going to stand up for us. I'm not just speaking on just certain people. I'm speaking on all of us. All of us. If we get that more, we might can accomplish some things. And the last thing I want to talk about before I take off is these bullshit ass podcasters. I'm sick of some of y'all clowns. And I ain't throwing shade, I'm throwing truth, because that's what the name of this show is. I'm getting it to you real and raw. Stop speaking on things just for clout. Stop trying to put bad names and bad words and bad issues toward people that you don't even damn know. You know, let's talk about something real. I'm gonna give all you podcasters this challenge. This is a challenge. Y'all hear Big Jeff speak on his city every week. I speak on my city. I speak on things that happens in my city. I speak on people in my city. I speak on the people of my city. Because I have a respect level for that. Let me see some of y'all speak on people in y'all city for a change. Get the fuck off Atlanta. Get off Atlanta. In other words, if you don't know what you're talking about, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Let me see you talk about some of the people and some of the issues in your city. I know why you won't. I know why a lot of y'all podcasters won't. I know why you won't. And I'm going to tell you why you won't. Because you know the cats in your city ain't like the cats in this city. They're going to spank your ass when you scream their name out there. When you talk about them. That's why. These cats from Atlanta ain't going to come looking for you in Chicago or Illinois or New York or Miami or LA or nowhere else. And y'all know it. So let me see you do that. That's my challenge to y'all. Let me talk about Atlanta and y'all talk about y'all cities.
Yeah.
And then maybe we can form some type of union to come together and try to fight together. Not each other, our systems. Let's stop getting at each other, man. Let's get at our systems that's putting this shit on us. Let's do that for a change. Let me hear y'all talk about that. Let's call each other, let's get with each other, and let's try to put some topics together to talk about to our people in our cities and hope that they join in, man, and let's make a stand. You know, so this is what we're dealing with. I'm not beefing with y'all chumps. So I don't care what you say about Big Jeff. I'm not gonna beef with you, brother. Cause I know I can come to your city and shame you in your city by being real. I know this for a fact. Because if you'll do the things that you're doing on podcasts to people that you don't even know, you can't be real in your city. You can't be. Let me see you have some guests pull up at your damn podcast from your city and sit down and kick it and be real. That's my challenge. Bring somebody on your show. Talk about something other than YSL every day.
That's all they do is talk about YSL.
Let me see you do that. Let me see you talk about some of the things that going on in your city that need to be corrected, like I do. That's my challenge to the podcasters, because I'm not going to go back and forth with you. If that's what you're looking for, Big Jeff is not going to give you that satisfaction. It's not going to happen. Because I know if you, this team that I'm with, We can't be infiltrated.
That's right. We can't be infiltrated.
We can't be infiltrated. And we sure can't be pulled out of our character by people talking.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason being is because 58 years ago, somebody talked about me. 58 years ago, somebody talked about me. And that was my mom and my dad when they conceived me. And she found out she was with child. For 9 months, somebody talked about me. The day I slid out into the world, somebody talked about me. From that day to 58 years later, someone has talked about me. If God called me home right now, someone is going to talk about me. According to how many days my family allowed me to sit out, someone is going to talk about me.
He said, where was he speaking this? On his
The day
podcast.
that they lay me to rest, somebody is going to talk about me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years from now, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Somebody's going to talk about me. So how can I let you pull me out of character for talking about me?
Exactly.
If you want to make me your strength, go ahead. If you want to make us your strength, go ahead. If you want to make my family your strength, go ahead. Please do. Because we're not that weak to entertain bullshit. We don't entertain that. I don't entertain that.
You sure don't.
I know who I am. I'm content with who I am. I love who I am. Because I know who I am. I know what I stand for. I know what I'm going to stand for and what I'm not going to stand for.
That's right, Jeff.
So I'm saying that to say this. This is Big Jeff of YSL Loaded, coming straight to you from No Days Off Productions with nothing
but the truth. Yeah.
And I'm out.
And he's out. Okay, that was it, y'all. That was the message he sent out. This is from his channel. Yes.
Okay, so I don't know anything because I'm old. Okay, we're lucky I'm here. How do I listen to his podcast other than the way we just did? I love him.
Hold on, let me get it for you. Let me get it for you. Hold on.
I love him.
Called No Days Off Radio.
And where?
On YouTube. Hold on a second. Let me see if I get the link. Oh, I got the sneezies now.
That was both of us. I got the mute. I just barely got to the mute button, but yes, I did too.
Both things at the same time. Wow.
Just like within 2 seconds of each other. I swear that was just too cute. Sorry. That's my dog Ditto, by the way. Just so that you guys are welcomed into my home. That is Ditto.
Okay, look in the private chat. It's in there. I've just put it in the private chat.
Okay, thank you very much.
Let me put it in the regular chat for all the other folks too. Okay, y'all, for those who want to go.
I'm good in some. Ooh, and he's handsome. Look at that cutie patootie.
Oh
boy.
That's Thug's dad.
Well, I don't care whose daddy he is, as long as they are old. Just saying. Bubbies. Okay. So anyway, I sent you an email. I don't know how long it's going to take to get to you.
I got
Because
it.
okay,
Hold on.
you would have to download it via Google Drive, okay, and then so that the chat could see. Do you know you put a phone number up there? Oh, the DPSCS. You would have to upload it into StreamYard, and yes. I'm not sending you anything that is not safe for your channel. In fact, I just had to take my class today to get my thing lifted by November. Otherwise, it would be a lifelong thing. Did you take a little class test thingy with them with YouTube?
No, what kind of class is it for?
It's a stupid little thing that I don't even know. They just pissed me off and they made me take a class or hold it over my head for life. I had it was just a little okay. They call it a class. You know what I call it? Me reading 7 sentences and taking a guess as to the answer. So, I didn't do the class. I shouldn't say that, should I? Because they could use that against me. I have a channel violation, which is an active community guideline strike, and it is a warning. But if I didn't do this little thing, then I would get a 7-day poof be gone.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So they're just, we need to teach you how to also stream over on Rumble so that if they ever take you away, you're still available on Rumble. And you can make money there. I'm here to help.
Thank you. You doing money over there too?
Well, look, I have a whopping 128 subs because I yeeted my channel. I was up to, I think, 400, and somebody started mind boinking me. And in the process of it, somebody else was coming after me and hacked into my Discord crap and started messing with my personal life. So I just yeeted everything, got rid of it all. And now I'm being very slow with coming back and very not really caring about the money asset of it. Because my thing is, I only did this to help somebody else get going on it, and then I'm helping somebody else, and then somebody else. So I'm really just like the teacher to help people. And so I have $8 sitting over in Rumble where I have like 50 something people, because people can give you money right away, but you have to have $30 to get any of the money back. So it's just going to sit there forever, because Rumble, even though I yeeted, they could have kept the $8. And when I unyeeted, they said, here's your channel. And in fact, here's your $8.
Oh,
So
nice. Okay, I'm gonna play it now. It just downloaded.
Oh, did you get it? Well, but wait, no, it's not a new song. So did you upload it to StreamYard so they can see it?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay. We'll see ya.
Sylvia in that courtroom crying. All day long she's making time. Notes in hand, she's got the plan. Comes home late, shines like a star. Yeah, she's here to break it down. Justice found without a frown. In our chat with hearts so true, Sylvia's magic comes right through. Feel it, baby, feel the light. Soulful notes on the inside. queen with a golden touch. In her words we trust so much. Courtroom battles fade away. She brings the light in the day. Slide it slyly, can't deny. Sylvia knows just how to fly. All I want, she melts away, bringing soul to every day. Feel it, baby, feel the glide. Soulful notes on the inside. Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play. Feel it, baby, feel the glide. Soulful notes on the inside. Sylvia's truth makes us sway. All night long we groove and play. Groove and play.
All right now. Woo!
Okay, see, it's really easy. So all we have to do is you just have to pop me over emails when you want me. Because I do own a business, so I'm not like just doing this all day. But if there's like something specific you want, I know Sean is helping you with the overlays and stuff like that.
He did the overlays.
So he just did the one that you want. I want to teach you how to do them so you can be sitting here talking to people and going, oh, yeah, I want that. And you can do it while you're learning.
Oh, my Lord. Okay.
You're like, I don't want to learn. But it's addictive and fun. I mean,
okay, y'all. See, they getting me right, y'all. They getting me right.
It's addictive and fun. But when you're getting phone calls in and stuff, I want you to be able to have an intermission that you can hit, and it mutes your camera and your microphone. You can put it on replay until you are ready to take it off, and you don't have to let the whole music go. But if you go, you know what, guys, we've been here for like 2 hours. There's a call coming in. I'm taking it. We're taking the whole intermission and maybe 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back. But do you see what I'm saying? Because like, I know I just made this, right? Well, I was out at a powwow all day. I almost died because of heat stroke, apparently. So I'm sitting here doing this, and all of a sudden, all the water that I've drank since I got home, and you're playing this, and I went, oh, I got it. We're doing intermission. Go now. And I went into the room that I couldn't close the door of, and then got back because I had 4 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's helpful for everybody, especially you, the creator. If you know you have a button that really quick, you get your privacy both on camera and on mic to run, and you can just keep looping it if you need. So there you go.
How do you make that song? How did you make the music?
That's what I want to teach you.
Oh yeah, I want to learn that.
Yeah, so you know what, guys, we're going to have to talk a minute in the green room so I can teach her this so she can make her first own music, because I'm going to have her make her very first own music before she go to bed tonight.
Yay! I'm about to leave y'all so I could go learn.
I don't mean to take her away, but I don't want her to be asleep when she does this, because God only knows what you get then, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta go learn, y'all. I'll see you guys later. I love you guys.
Bye, everybody. Huggers, buggers. We'll see ya.
The music of leaving. Bye.